Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to delete automations or form automation in Wix dashboard. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix dashboard and we are going to delete form automations. On left side you see multiple options and then you see automations. You see automation, so click on it. So we are in automation section. Now you see save time and engage customer with automated emails, tasks and more. And then you see your automation created by you. So we have 3 automation. One is active and 2 in draft. So we are going to delete it. Now click on it and then you see edit, duplicate, rename, delete. So we are going to delete automation. So click on it and then you see pop up, delete this automation. Once deleted, it can't be restored. So click on delete and then you see your automation is now deleted. So in this way you can delete automations or form automations in Wix dashboard. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.